Welcome to Rainy Day Foods Natural Amaranth. Natural amaranth is one of those ancient grains that packs a punch of protein. It is very small and it is easy to sneak into salads, protein bars, brownies, and other goodies. This makes a great porridge by itself, or you can do a multi-grain porridge that is healthy and to your taste. This is definitely a must-have for your long-term food storage. Today we will show you a few different ways that you can use this particular pseudo cereal. To make a porridge, you will take 3 cups of water and 1 cup of amaranth. As it begins to boil, you will see how it doesn't really incorporate very well. And in comparison to quinoa, it takes longer to cook. So you're going to have this cooking for at least 30 minutes, if not longer. As the amaranth cooks, you will see that it will start absorbing the water and it will become more pudding-like. And once you've hit the point where there is just a little bit water left that hasn't soaked into it, you can take it off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. Once you've turned this down on low heat to boil, you're going to cover it. And after it's cooked, this is what you can expect out of texture. You can flavor amaranth as a savory dish or as like a cereal. It's really up to you how you would like it best. In this video, I did flavor it with a little bit of chicken bouillon and some garlic powder and onion powder. At the end, I will show you the dish that we added this to and topped with sauteed onions and garlic. Now, another fun thing about amaranth is that you can pop it like popcorn. You don't want to put very much in your pan. Make sure your pan's hot. It will almost immediately start popping. Only do 2 or 3 tablespoons at a time. It can burn pretty easily. In some cultures, they actually eat this as a treat. They put honey on top of it. While I have not tried this personally yet, it does sound pretty good. Another way that amaranth can be used that we aren't showing today is that you can actually grind it down to make flour. And you can mix this flour with other flours and put it into pastas or baked goods, which adds great nutritional value to whatever you're making. So if you're interested in buying this natural pseudo cereal, please check out www.rainydayfoods.com, where you can buy this product and many other products. And remember that food storage is for every day, not just rainy days. Thank you.